Be proud of nature. Everyday life is so hard and stressful that it makes very stressed. Return to the source of Mother Nature so we can soothe your sorrows. Welcome back to the Natural Gift channel. Today we invite you to explore the beautiful natural area in the Loy Primeval Forest. This area is about 2 hours walk from where I live because it is very difficult to use transportation. After a quite arduous journey, I'm full of pictures that have been recorded and shared with you. Come on, let's experience the beautiful nature here. Look at me walking on an old tree that is rotted with moss. It's so interesting, isn't it? And here are some natural fruits in this tropical forest next to a stream. Some of them are not only delicious and edible, but they are also herbal plants. The journey is here. Thank you for following. Please click like, register, and share it to support me. Goodbye and see you again.